name is Torrie and welcome to my channel. In celebration of World Kindness Day, which is on November 13th, I'm going to teach you how to make these kindness bracelets. If you're not familiar with what World Kindness Day is, it's just an unofficial holiday that's been created to basically observe kindness and to celebrate kind acts. If you're interested in participating yourself, I'm going to go ahead and link a couple of websites that have different acts of kindness to give you some inspiration, and also in the comments I would love to know a few of your own. So basically for this craft, we're going to take it way back to the 90s with alphabet bracelets, which were really popular when I was a kid. As a matter of fact, the alphabet beads that you see right here actually are from the 90s. So I got these in a rose art kit for my 8th birthday, and I am not lying when I say this. I have had them for that long, and yeah, if you're a 90s kid, you know what rose art is. You can whip these up with really any different bead combinations you have, any phrases that you would want to put. I'm choosing to do smile because I had this cute little smiley face here, which also looked very 90s, so I thought it went well with the alphabet beads. And I'm doing kind, just because of World Kindness Day. And I'm doing like a gold and red color scheme here. I think that I've explained everything that needs to be explained. Let's get into the video. After you choose your word and color pattern, bead your word in the center and string beads around it. Between one of the two smaller beads, I added my tassel charm. I also mixed it up with a few different textures and patterns while keeping the same color scheme. When you're satisfied with the length and style, tie it off with a secure double knot. Using a similar method, I'm going to make a smile bracelet. This time I'm using a color scheme of yellow, orange, and light green. The cool thing is you can make these bracelets using any colors, words, or even phrases. If I'd had more alphabet beads, I would have loved to have done the quote from the live-action Cinderella movie. On one bracelet would have said, "Have courage," and on the other, "Be kind." And here are the finished bracelets. If you decide to make an extra bracelet to give to a friend, you can make a cute presentation card to go with it. Just cut a length of cardstock, punch 2 holes in it, thread a ribbon through the back, and using the ribbon, tie a bow to secure the bracelet to the card. Now write a message on it and it's ready to go. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my other kindness videos throughout the month of November, and as always, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Until next week, see you soon. Bye!